After 30 years in the saddle professionally, veteran jockey Ellis is contemplating calling time on his career. However, with those in his corner encouraging to continue riding, Ellis is thinking about at least taking a break. Denise Walters tells us more.
The name Shane Ellis is synonymous with local horse racing, having given yeoman service to the sport. Ellis has won over 1,300 races, including 7 derbies, his last win coming in 2024 aboard Crown Chaser. Ellis also has 5 St. Leger victories, including Calculus in 2021. He won the 2,000 guineas 4 times, his latest victory coming earlier this year aboard Sensational Soul. Ellis also has 4 1,000 guineas and 4 Jamaica Oaks titles under his belt. And he landed the Triple Crown aboard Supreme Soul in 2019. But at the age of 52, he is thinking of hanging up his whip.
At the end of the year, I was thinking about giving it a break. But for this, couple of my friends and my family saying just take a break and then come back and continue, because I still have more race to win.
Ellis, who won 2 Jockeys Championships in 2000 and 2015, was honored last Monday at the National Honors and Awards ceremony, receiving a badge of honor for meritorious service in the sport.
I've been riding professionally for 30 years and I've been doing well, can't complain. It was rough and rocky, but I survived and I'm doing good.
Ellis has encouraging words for the younger jockeys coming up.
Inspire the younger jockeys, them no matter how rough the road is or rocky, just continue riding, dedicate yourself and saying you have a goal and that's where you want to be and that's what you're going for, so just continue.
Meanwhile, when Ellis does decide to retire from race riding, he has no intentions of leaving the sport.
I'm thinking about training horses, so after I'm thinking about stop riding, I'll be taking up my training license, both locally and overseas.
The veteran has an impressive resume that sees him sitting 3rd on the all-time list among local jockeys based on the number of wins. With 1,372 career wins, only Winston Fanner-Griffiths 1,663 and Trevor Slices Simpson 1,509 have ridden more winners than Ellis. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.
And those are the stories.